Matthew Steckman, who's President and Chief Business Officer at Anduril Industries.
I think when we started the company, I wouldn't have said that quantum would have been on our bingo card. About 2 years ago, I think the technology matured to the point where we started to believe there was a national security application today. Maybe 2 years ago, we kicked off a campaign to really start to understand quantum optimization, its impact on what we do. I have been shocked at how fast and mature the technology has been to deliver actual useful results to the problem sets that we're working on. My biggest shock has been this stuff is ready. It's ready to use today, and we're going to continue to use it with our partners and with the national security community to its greatest effect possible.
I look at quantum as similar to where cloud and AI have been over the last 10 years plus. And I think the next 10 years you're going to see it take off just as those technologies and even some level of integration of those technologies. And so for us, it's about how do we stay ahead of the problem sets that the U.S. national security space is looking at, and we believe quantum has a capability to do that.
I think every advanced economy needs a quantum strategy overall. Senator Butti, who was on stage earlier, is in charge of technology strategy for the country of Italy, and it was one of his ideas that Italy needed to be active as a matter of long-term industrial policy in quantum and quantum computing specifically. If you think about it, though, specifically, there's so many government-oriented applications for quantum optimization, annealing. Transportation system design, energy grid, management of the energy grid, energy reduction associated with figuring out how to substitute for some of the AI data center demand that's out there. Improving the confidence in the decision-making processes of government if you have a more analytical system involved. We're very motivated by the energy and environmental impact or the opportunity for reduced energy and environmental impact of quantum computing compared to classical. And so having the on-prem system will give us better ability to monitor, to measure precisely the energy consumption associated with having it, and then specifically for those particular uses compared to what we're substituting for.
From our perspective, it really comes down to three very critical components. One,